Imagine quitting your 9-to-5 grind job tomorrow because your YouTube channel is spitting out $10,000 every single month on autopilot. Sound impossible? It's not. If you're tired of scraping by with pennies from views, this video will flip the script. We'll cover niche domination, killer content hacks, explosive growth tactics, and multiple income streams to hit that $10,000 mark in 6 to 12 months. Step 1. Choose a high-potential niche. First things first, picking the right niche is crucial because it determines your RPM or CPM earnings per 1,000 views and audience loyalty. You don't need millions of subs. Focus on niches where viewers have money to spend and ads pay well. High RPM niches like finance, business, tech reviews, or online marketing can net $10 to $30 per 1,000 views from ads alone, but we'll layer on more income streams later. From research, successful creators emphasize being specific. For example, instead of broad fitness, go for keto diets for busy professionals. It's targeted, searchable, and attracts sponsors. Creators share how they hit $10,000 per month in 6 months by niching into YouTube growth tips, starting with 0 subs but building a business model around it from day one. Another tip: look for evergreen topics with trending potential. Use tools like YouTube, Search Suggest, or Google Trends to validate demand. Pro tip: faceless channels work great here. No need to show your face. Niches like top 10 lists in history, mysteries, or AI tools can scale anonymously with stock footage and AI voiceovers. Aim for passion plus profitability. If you're in a low RPM niche like gaming, often $1 to $5 RPM, pivot or combine with affiliates to boost earnings. Real stat: channels in personal finance often see 2 to 5 times higher RPM than entertainment. Spend time researching. Analyze top channels in your niche through Social Blade for their growth and estimated earnings. Pick one where you can post 3 to 5 videos weekly without burnout. Step 2. Create consistent and high-quality content. This is where the rubber meets the road. The key? Consistency and value. Post at least 3 videos per week to train the algorithm and build momentum. One strategy that took a channel from $0 to $10,000 in under a year. Focus on the ATM formula: audience, trust, monetization. Start by pouring value into helping viewers before asking for anything. Produce 20 to 30 videos initially, then double down on the top 2 to 3 performers based on watch time and engagement. Use trending topics. Search YouTube for exploding topics in your niche. Keep videos 10 to 15 minutes long for better retention. Hook in the first 15 seconds, deliver actionable tips, and end with a call to action. If you're solo, use free editors like CapCut or AI for scripts. As you grow, hire a team through Upwork for editing and thumbnails. One creator scaled to $10,000 by outsourcing everything after finding winning formats. For thumbnail, use bright colors, faces, and curiosity text. Optimize titles with keywords, descriptions with timestamps and links, and tags. Aim for 50% watch time. That's algorithm gold. Example: a channel in reselling thrifted clothes tripled AdSense in 3 months by refining thumbnails and hooks. For faceless videos, use Canva for graphics, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and stock clips from Pexels. One guide highlights making $10,000 by faceless content in education niches by consistent uploads. Track analytics weekly. Focus on impressions, click-through rate, 5 to 10%, and average view duration. Step 3. Grow your audience and traffic. Growth isn't about subs first. It's about views and engagement. Target 1 to 2 million views per month to hit $10,000, which is doable with smart promotion. You don't need viral hits. Consistent 10,000 view videos add up. Cross-promote on Reddit, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Repurpose clips. Buy end-screen promotions from similar channels. Guest on podcasts or swap shoutouts. Upload at peak times for your audience. Use analytics. Encourage comments with questions and respond to build community. A beginner hit $10,000 by niching down, debunking myths like needing millions of subs and focusing on trust-building content. Most see exponential growth after 50 to 100 videos. Step 4. Monetize beyond ads. Ads are just the start. YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, but aim higher. AdSense. Base layer but low alone. For example, $5,000 from 1 million views. Affiliates. Promote products through links. For example, Amazon and Commission Junction. Earn 5 to 20% commissions. Digital products and courses. Sell your expertise. For example, YouTube Growth Blueprint. For $97. Creators hit $10,000 with group coaching at higher price points. Sponsorships. Once at 10,000 subscribers, brands pay $500 to $5,000 per video. Merch and memberships, super thanks, channel memberships for recurring revenue. Now you've just unlocked the exact roadmap that turns struggling channels into $10,000 per month machines. But knowledge without action is worthless. Right now, the difference between where you are and where you want to be is one decision. Will you keep scrolling or will you finally start building? Pick your niche today.